Still some are coming now. Let us start our lecture. Good morning, all of you. Can you hear my voice? Is it okay? In the previous class, conversion part we have completed. Okay. Now today also we are going to start a new topic, and this is also very important topic. So put today's date. Give a heading, binary representation. Binary representation of numbers. Okay. Binary representation of numbers. The number which we are having, decimal number. I am talking about the decimal number. 4, 9, 36. Positive as well as negative. Positive and negative. In this topic, we are going to learn means how the computer handles positive value, negative values. Let me repeat once again. In this topic, we are going to discuss how the computer handles positive value and the negative values. How the computer comes to know that this is the positive value and this is the negative value. Computer does not, we are not using a sign, plus sign or minus sign. In real life, we are using plus sign, minus sign, so that we can recognize it is a positive value, it is a negative value. How the computer recognized whether it is a positive value or it is a negative value. Then on the basis of positive and negative value, he do the binary operation also, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So before going to the arithmetic operation, binary arithmetic operation, let us understand how we are going to represent positive value, how we are going to represent negative value. Very interesting topic it is, and very confusing also. So let us start now. Binary representation of numbers. We have three methods to represent any number. What I mean to say that actually in this topic we do not have much theory. Only thing is that we have to understand the concept with the example. That is most important. Okay, theory, we do not have a theory. Neither examiner is going to ask what do you mean by this, what do you mean by this. Okay, whatever I am writing, you can write down in your copy as it is only. So I was telling that there are three ways to represent any positive or negative value. What are those ways? Number one, sign magnitude representation. This is the first way to represent any positive or negative value. So what is the name of that topic? Sign magnitude representation. Then we have complement representation. Actually, two are there. Okay. Sign magnitude representation. And the second one is your complement representation. This is another way to represent any positive or negative value. In complement representation, we have two more classifications. One's complement or you can write it in this way also. One's complement. why I told that we have a 3 method. In some books, it has been given to us. There are 3 methods. How? First one, second and third. Second and third. In this way they have given. Or in other sense you can say, in other sense also you can say, so we have 2 different ways to represent any positive or negative value. Sign magnitude representation, first method. Complement representation. In complement representation, we have 2 more classification. One's complement, two's complement. That much only. Now let us understand sign magnitude representation. What do you mean by sign magnitude representation? This was the one of the simple way to represent positive as well as negative value. Have you noted down this part? Have you noted down? Some of you have, yeah. Okay. So here 2 students are sitting together, Aditya Mal and one more. How the attendance will be possible? Okay. So put a first heading, sign magnitude representation. Sign magnitude representation. See, if a computer using n bits to represent any number, for example, if I am telling that five plus 5, how the computer manage this plus 5? By using this concept, by using this method, sign magnitude representation. Plus 5 if you are representing in 4 bits, so what is the binary value of 5 in 4 bits? 1, 2, 4, 8. You want 5 plus 5. 101. 101 is the magnitude, is the value of 5. And since you have to represent this value 5 in 4 bits, so here I am going to put one more bits. Now, 0. Now this bit is going to represent sign bit. And this is going to represent magnitude. So we are putting 0. We are putting 0 for positive. We are putting 1 for negative value. Very important point. What I mean to say that, please pay attention here. If you are representing any number in n bits, n minus 1 will represent the magnitude, and the one bit is reserved. 1 bit is reserved for sign bit. This is the meaning what I want to say. If you are representing any number in n bits, n minus 1 will represent magnitude. Magnitude means value. N minus 1 will represent value, and 1 bit is reserved for sign. So if I am writing 0, that is the positive value, and if I am writing 1, that is negative value. Now let us take an example. Sir, you have represented plus 5, 0, 1, 0, 1. How will you represent minus 5? For minus, I will write 1. and 5 I will write 101. This is my magnitude, or you can say it is my value, and this is my sign bit. This is my sign bit. This is my sign bit. If you are using n bits, here my n bit is 4 bits. 4 bits. I am going to represent any number in 4 bits. So out of 4 bits, 1 is reserved for sign bit, and 3 bits is for magnitude, is for value, is for value. First of all, you note down. I understand where is the confusion. You note down first of all. I am going to take another example. Suppose, have you noted down this one? This is the important point. N bits, n minus 1 is for value, and 1 bit is going to represent, is reserved for sign bit, is reserved for sign bit. For example, another example. Somebody has told me, sir, you represent plus 5 in 8 bits. You represent plus 5. You represent plus 5 in 8 bits. In 8 bits. So what does it mean? 7 bits. With 7 bits, I am going to represent value. And 1 bit is reserved for sign bit. Is reserved for sign bit. Is reserved for sign bit. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 bits total. 8 bits. Okay. The last bit is reserved. Last bit is reserved for sign bit. Is reserved for sign bit. Since you want to represent plus 5, here I am going to write 0. And what is the value of 5? 101. This is the magnitude. Not only this one, magnitude. Now, the remaining empty place, I am going to write 0, 0, 0, 0. So, till here, is your magnitude value. Is your magnitude, that is value. Means in 8 bits, 7 bits I have used for representing 5. And this is the last bit is reserved for sign bit. I have written here 0. Any confusion? Any confusion? If somebody say to you, represent plus 5 in 8 bits using sign magnitude representation. Okay, sign magnitude representation says that if you have an n bits, so n minus 1 is going to use for magnitude, and 1 bit will be reserved for sign bit. Aditi is asking that, sir, how we will represent 17? That is why I am taking, we will increase the number of bits. Now see, I have taken 8 bits. So maximum how many value you can represent? 2 raised to power 8. How much? or leave it. Let us take a simple example. 4 bits. If you are using to represent 2 raised to power 4, means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So your 4 to the 8 is 16. Till 16 you can represent. Not 16 also. Very mistake we are doing. 4 bits. 4 bits it is. But 1 bit is reserved for sign bit. So altogether 4 minus 1. So how much value I can represent? 2 raised to power 3 means 8. Maximum 8 I can represent. Using 4 bits. Using 4 bits. Out of 4 bits, one bit is reserved for sign bit. It means that you are going to use only 3 bits. You are going to use only 3 bits. You are going to use only 3 bits. One formula is there. One formula is there actually. Not only 8 also. You are going to use only 3 bits, na? Though you have a 4 bits. Though you have a 4 bits. Out of 4 bits, 1 is for sign bit and 3 bits are remaining with you. So maximum you can represent 7. Maximum 7 you can represent. How? See. 1, 2, 4. 3 bits. 1, 1, 1. 4, 5, 6, 7. Maximum 7. If you want to represent 8, if you want to represent 9, 10, 11, 12, it is not possible with the 4 bits. It is not possible with the 4 bits. You have to increase the number of bits. You have to increase the number of bits. So what is the formula? 2 raised to power n minus 1 minus 1 is the formula. For means till that much you can represent. Till that much you can represent the numbers. For example, if you are using 8 bits, what does it mean? Two raised to power 8 minus 1 minus 1. That is 2 raised to power 7 minus 1. 2 raised to power 7 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 to the 4, 2 to the 8 into 16. 16 to the 32. And 32 into 4. 4 to the 12 to 1 carry. 12, 1, 13. 4 to the 8, sorry. 4 to the 8. 4 to the 12. 128. 128 minus 1. 127. Till 127. Till 127 you can represent. Using 8 bits. Using 8 bits. Using 8 bits. And among 8 bits, out of 8 bits, 1 bit is reserved for sign bit. That is why I have written here 8 minus 1. That is why I have written here 8 minus 1. 1 bit you remove it. That is fixed for sign bit. So how many bits do you have now? 7 bits. So maximum till what value you can represent? 127. If somebody say to you, please represent 128 in 8 bits, it is not possible. It is not possible in 8 bits. You have to increase the number of bits. You have to increase the number of bits. You can represent 128 if I say to you using 16 bits. Using 16 bits. Using 16 bits. It is possible. So out of 16 bits, 1 bit is for will remain for sign bit and remaining 15 bits. It is sufficient. It is sufficient for me to represent 128. To represent 128. Are you getting or not? Any confusion? I'm giving time to you. I'm giving you time. That is why I said this topic is a little bit confusion. You can ask any question also, no problem, so that I can understand that. I can understand that. One girl has told me, sir, if I want to represent plus 17, girl has told me, sir, represent plus 17. If examiner is telling to you represent plus 17 using 4 bits, question is wrong. Sir, 17 we cannot represent. We cannot represent within 4 bits. हाँ से हाँ
आखिरी पेज आपको दे दो।
That same thing I have also told.
अभी ना बोलना, आखिरी पेज दे दो। अभी नहीं, आपको यहाँ रहना है, ऐसा बात कर दीजिए। हाँ यहाँ से कर ले।
Okay, so if you want to represent 17 plus 17 using 4 bits, it is not possible. If I say to you represent plus 17 using 8 bits, then it is possible. So out of 8 bits, 1 bit is reserved for sign bit. So what will be the diagram? First of all, make it 8 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the last bit is reserved for sign bit. Here I will write 0. Sir, why are you writing 0 here? Because it is positive value. It is positive value. I am talking about sign magnitude representation. I am talking about sign magnitude representation. In sign magnitude representation, this is the logic. This is the concept for representing positive value. Sir, if I want, sir, you want, sir, let us represent minus 17. Okay, using 8 bits, it is possible. So what I will do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here I will write 1. Sir, why are you writing here 1? Because it is negative. Okay, and use this 7 bits. Use this 7 bits for representing 17. So let us represent 17. We have a formula 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. But here itself only I am going to get 17. 16, 0, 0, 0 and plus 1. 16 plus 1, 17. So write down here 1, 0, 0, 3, 0 and 1. These places are empty, so I can put here 0. This is nothing but minus 17. This is nothing but minus 17. One for negative sign, and this is the 7 bits for representing 17 magnitude. Here what will be the representation for plus 17? Same as it is only 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Put 0. This extra space is there, and 0 I am writing because of positive. This is negative. Do we need to draw that box? Not necessary, but if you draw the box, it will be more clear. It depends. No problem. You can draw the box also. No problem. This is called sign magnitude representation. So, what conclusion we have drawn? Let me finalize. If you are using n bits for representing any number, out of n bits, n minus 1 will represent number, and 1 bit reserved. for sign bit. For sign bit. This is the definition of a sign magnitude representation. Sign magnitude representation. Sign magnitude representation says that if you are using n bits, so out of n bits, n minus 1 will represent value and 1 bit you take out for sign bit. For sign bit. Example, this is the best example I have taken. Plus 17 using 8 bits, minus 17 using 8 bits. So represent 145. Are represent using 8 bits. Using 8 bits. Out of 8, we have only 7 bits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Till 64. You want to represent 145. Just check it. Are you going to get 145? Are you going to get 145? If I keep 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, here also 1, means 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 plus 15. So 10, 15, 16, 17, 7, 1 carry, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. See? It is not possible. It is not possible that you can represent 145 using 8 bits. Using 8 bits. So what should we increase the number of bits? Increase the number of bits. The examiner will not give you the wrong question. You represent 145 using 8 bits. It is not possible. So why the examiner will give this question? You represent 145 using 8 bits or using 4 bits only. If I say to you, represent 145 using 16 bits, then it is possible. So out of 16, 1 bit is reserved for sign bit. Now we are going to use 15 bits. 15 bits. 15 bits. So 145 is possible. 15 bits. 15 bits means it will go to the It will go to the 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Continuously you can go to the till 15 bits. So it is sufficient. It is sufficient for me. 15 bits. Okay. Did you understand what is the meaning of sign magnitude representation? What we do in sign magnitude representation. What we do. What we do in sign magnitude representation. If we are having n bits, if you want to note down, you can note down this point so that you can remember it. You can note one line you can write down regarding sign magnitude representation. No problem. Sign magnitude representation. in this representation, MSB, don't worry, I will tell you what is the meaning of MSB. In bracket you write down most significant bit represent the sign, underline it, represent the sign of the number, comma 0 is for positive and 1 is for negative. We stop and change the paragraph. For n bit representation, n bits representation, comma 1 bit reserved, 1 bit reserved for the sign bit of the number and n minus 1 bits and remaining, sorry, right now here is it visible? Yeah, remaining n minus 1 bits are used for storing the number. I hope you have understand. It is more clear now. Overall conclusion, this is the meaning of sign magnitude representation. The examiner may will give you any number and it will tell you, please represent this number using sign magnitude representation. Using 3 bits, using 7 bits, using 9 bits, using 12 bits. So when I say using 12 bits, it means that 1 bit is reserved for sign. Now remaining is 11. Within 11, you are using 11 bits. Represent that number. Now here, very important. What is the meaning of MSB? Now see, what is the meaning of MSB means? If you are writing any binary number, 101101, most left hand side bit is known as MSB. This is known as MSB. And this is known as LSB. These are the two terms, MSB, LSB. Least significant bit, most significant bit. So left hand side value is known as MSB and the rightmost value is known as LSB. Least significant bit. Not only in binary number. If I say to you, suppose 4, 5, 6, 7. This is decimal number. 4,567. Can you tell me in this number which one is MSB? Which one is MSB? Sir, 4 is MSB and 7 is LSB. Least significant bit, most significant bit. LSB. Least That is the meaning. So in the definition, it has been told to you the most significant bit is going to represent positive or negative. Of course, it is correct. It is correct. It is correct. Just look at the example plus 17 and minus 17. Our last most significant bit is going to represent as a sign bit. Is going to represent as a sign bit. I hope so. Definition is correct. Along with the example, along with the example, along with the example. Along with the example. The question comes there, sir. Okay, you have told to us this is for the most significant bit, this is for the least significant bit. MSB, LSB. What is the, why we are telling MSB? What is the meaning, actual meaning, most significant bit? We are telling most significant bit because it has maximum weight. It has maximum weight, or you can say that it has maximum place value. 1 times 100,000. What is the place value of 4? 4,000. What is the weight? What is the weight of 4? What is the weight of 4 here? 4,000. That is why we say. That is why we say that it is known as most significant bit. And since this number having very low weight, very least weight, that is why we say that least significant bit. These are the two terminology. These are the two terminology we use in number system. MSB, LSB. So what is the meaning of MSB? Leftmost digit. LSB, rightmost digit. Why we are telling MSB? You can say that, sir, it has more weight. More weight. Weight means place value. Place value. I hope you have understand what is the meaning of sign magnitude representation. Now, very important in sign magnitude representation, we have learned how to write any number in sign magnitude representation. If I give you one binary value 01101, please read it. Please read it. What this value represent? What this value represent? What this value represent? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bits are there. I'm talking about sign magnitude representation only. In sign magnitude representation, read this value. Read this value in sign magnitude representation. Read. Read means Ayush Keshavani is telling me plus 13. Why he is telling plus 13? Last bit is for plus and the remaining bit is for value. Or you can say that magnitude. So what is the magnitude? 1, 2, 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Plus 13 is this is the value. This is the value of plus 13. If I say to you 111, read it in sign magnitude representation. Yes, sign magnitude representation. Anushka Gupta is telling to me -3. Yes, -3. Why? How? Sir, 1 bit is reserved for sign bit, so minus, and 2 bit is for value. 1 and 2, -3 is the answer. Correct. Now I hope so you have understand. Arpit Jaiswal is also telling to me, sir, -3. Yes, Arpit, it is correct answer. Okay, so how to write, how to read, two things we have learned in sign magnitude representation. How to read, sorry, how to write and how to read. How to read. Sign magnitude representation. Let us stop here only. Let us stop here only. We will continue in the next class. We will continue in the next class. Why? Otherwise, if I discuss one complement, confusion will be there. Step by step we will move. Okay. Good. Thank you so much. Prasiddhi, have you understand? Yes, telling Harshit Chaudhary is telling to me, bye sir, God bless you all. Oh, sorry, God bless us all. Okay, he want to go very hurry. Aditi Sharma is also telling to me, thank you sir. They are not waiting. Aditi also telling to me, I'm feeling shy after telling thank you sir. Sanya, you are not well. You are not fine still. Huh? Is
No,
it?
sir, I'm not.
No, you are just science student. Must be smart and good personality. Huh? Anushka, is it clear to you? Sign magnitude representation. Thank you so much. God bless you all.